Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can outline text in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design in my Canva application, and as you can see I have added text to my design, and I'm going to add outline to this text. First thing first, we need to click on the text and we have to scroll all the way to the right around here and click on the effects option. Okay, and you can choose outline. Since we want to add text outline, I'm gonna select this one, and then we can change the outline color. You can click on this icon, then you can customize the thickness and the color as well. I'm going to increase the thickness, and for the outline color I'm gonna choose this yellow color. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can outline text in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.